Home is not just a place, it's a feeling. Hi, I am Sneha, interior designer and creative head at Aspirations. Today we are going to reveal a 3 BHK apartment we just recently completed. So let's get started. The entrance space is the welcoming area of this apartment, so we try to keep it more dramatic and serene by adding this Buddha wallpaper, and the frame is totally covered with the veneer. The first thing when you see when you enter this apartment is this living area. The color palette of this living area is kept very neutral with some veneer elements here and there, and the focal point being the TV background which we finished in PU polish, which is beautifully complementing with this partition of veneer and brass. The dining area is the extended part of the living room. This floor to ceiling projected wall paneling is something which is giving this entire dining area a royal look and feel. The entire concept and the rafter lights are smartly matched with this bronze mirror to give a glamorous entirely. We made this see-through semi-visible glass wood partition, which is an apt space for the refrigerator. This mustard headboard breaks the monotony of this grey palette. Every detail has been meticulously considered, and as you can see, each element gloriously complements each other, whether it may be the lightings, whether it may be the coffee table or the life-size mirror. The second bedroom is a star here with comprising all the needed elements in such an lavishing concept. The fabric bed and the profile lightings looks so glorious. We do have a study area and a TV unit which makes this room so teenager friendly. This wallpaper is an illusion art specially crafted by our skilled team. This room is so perfect, I feel so proud I designed it. This guest bedroom needs one word: perfection. This super chic bed bag is achieved by combination of various materials with the brass trims. And we have tried one new material concept which is already become a trendsetter. This small nook is perfect to display your artifacts and your collectives. Kitchen is designed considering all the modern elements. There was a small niche here between the column and the utility area. So we just projected few inches and we made a smart and comfortable storage for the crockeries. And this bare area was used to construct an foldable coffee cum serving table. When one of my clients said if creativity would have a face, this one would be the look, I felt so worthy and so happy of all the hard work I put in my work and my designs. So guys, reach out to Aspirations to transform your house into a home to love and live in. Till then, keep supporting. Thank you.